Jury has been seated for the second trial in the Crystal Rogers murder case today in Bowling Green. Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Fallon Glick.
And I'm Scott Reynolds. WDRB's Hayden Ristevsky joins us now live to walk us through the painstaking process to find those 15 impartial jurors. Hayden?
Well, Scott and Fallon, that jury was seated about 25 minutes ago. 15 people were selected, and 3 of them will be dismissed as alternates, with 12 ultimately hearing the case.
And this jury selection process, Hayden, was much slower than the previous trial in this case. What was different this time?
You know, Scott, to me, what really stuck out was just the detailed level of questioning by the judge and the attorneys in this case. They spent hours today, leaving really no stone unturned, trying to make sure that they could find jurors who were fair and who could look at the evidence in this case and not let any of their personal bias influence what their decision will ultimately be. In contrast, during Steve Lawson's trial last month, a jury was seated in just a couple of hours.
That's right. And, you know, today it took really all day to find this jury, Hayden. So what do you think was the main focus of questioning today for these jurors?
Well, Fallon, what really stood out to me was that the judge spent so much time individually questioning potential jurors today about what they knew about this case. He wanted to know how they found out about it. Were they watching the news or did they see something on social media? He wanted to know how detailed of information they knew. What specifics about this case had they heard before? Did they watch any documentaries about the case, or did they listen to any true crime podcasts? He really wanted to drive home the fact that he wanted this to be fair, and if they knew too much, he sent them home.
And so now, Hayden, the jury's there. What happens next in this case?
So court is done for the day today. It was a very long day, a painstaking process, as you mentioned, Scott. We will come back tomorrow at 8:30 Central Time for opening statements to begin, and we are expecting to hear from 3 attorneys tomorrow. Of course, the prosecutor on the case, Shane Young, and the 2 lead defense attorneys representing both Brooks Houck and Joseph Lawson. WDRB will be on top of this for you all day long. You'll be getting information from us on air, online, and on our social media pages.
The trial really getting underway starting tomorrow with those opening statements. Hayden, thank you so much for your reporting today alongside Lindsay Allen. We'll see you guys tomorrow.